Hi guys, happy Sunday. It's your girl Latoya K back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be cooking a Jamaican favorite dish, oxtail, fried chicken and rice and peas with a little fresh vegetables. Guys, today I am so lazy. I'm gonna notice but also throw the oxtail in the pot. I did let it saute off for a little, then I add some water to it, then I covered it down in the pressure cooker. Now you can see me after 25 minutes. I'm testing to see the progress. I test my thing often because I don't want it to mash out too much. You know, sometimes if you forget it in the pressure cooker, I tend to mash out. I tested it here and it is still a little bit too hard for my liking, so I'm gonna cover it down back and I'm gonna let it cook for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After another 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it looked. The water was completely dried out, and here you can see I'm testing it, and the fork is going through it, but it's still not as soft as I would love it. So I'm gonna add back some water to it and I'm gonna season it so that everything can cook together. I'm gonna give it a second season. Okay, so I've added back my water and I'm adding all my season, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my hot pepper, my garlic, my pimento seed. Also I'll be adding some more Maggi all-purpose. Also I'll be adding some Walker's with jerk season. I add Walker's with jerk season to almost everything that I'm stewing. I just love the flavor of it. It gives a nice spicy, I don't know, it's just a taste of Jamaica. Trust me, Walker's with a taste of Jamaica. I also added some browning, and guys, you notice how I add my browning to my spoon because I don't want to just throw it in the pot and then everything get black one time. I throw a little on my spoon and then I stir it up, and if it's still not the color that I like, I add some more and then I stir it up again and see how it looks. I don't just dash browning in a pot. I'm scared of that because you know, if you add too much browning, the meat will get bitter. Not only will it get black, it will get bitter. So I always try to add it to the spoon. There I'm adding the Walker's Wood. I love Walker's Wood. Walker's Wood, sponsor your girl. Give your girl a sponsor, Walker's Wood. I love your season. I use it on almost everything. I kid you not. So after I've seasoned my pot, I seasoned it nicely. I'm gonna put all the seasonings, the final seasoning, in this to let it simmer all together. Guys, as you can see, look at how it looks now that it's all come down to this. Now I'm gonna add my beans. I'm gonna add my beans. There, I'm adding my beans, my buttered beans, and I'm gonna let it cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes so that everything, the gravy and everything, can come together. I don't want my gravy to all boil out because I love a lot of gravy on my rice. My family loves a lot of gravy on their rice too, so I don't want the gravy to completely dry out. I just want it to get a little bit thickened, just a little. Yeah, this is the perfect consistency for me, guys. I don't know, I lost some of the footage where I added a little bit of ketchup to this, to the sauce, to help it get a little bit thick. Okay guys, as I said, today was a lazy day. I didn't have much energy while cooking. I did my best and I tried to make this video. I'm off to my fried chicken. In my fried chicken, I'm gonna crack an egg. Guys, this is one whole of chicken, so I have my thighs, my leg, my wings, everything in this. It's a whole of chicken, one whole chicken. I'm rubbing in my my egg. The purpose of the egg, guys, is to allow the flour to stick to the chicken and not fall off when you're frying it. You notice sometimes some people be frying chicken and after they flour it, You notice when the chicken come off, you see the chicken, but you not see you see the chicken fry, but you not see the flour upon the chicken. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. When you look, the flour separate from the chicken and you're not seeing the flour. So the egg helps to keep the flour stick to the chicken so that when it's frying, it doesn't separate. There I am cracking my thighs to make sure it's soaked properly when it's frying. Because sometimes the thigh takes a bit longer to soak. So when you crack it, it soaks more quicker. Okay. So that's my seasoned chicken. I'm going to put that aside right now. And I am going to move on to season my flour. Yeah. I'm going to move on to the seasoning of the flour. And as you guys know, I season my flour in a bag because after I finish frying my chicken, I'm not going to use this flour again. I'm just going to toss it out. So there's no need to dirty up a next container with flour, and I'm just going to throw it away. So I'm adding my flour to my bag. I'm not adding a lot because I don't want anything to waste. I'm going to throw this away after I have fried my chicken. To the flour, I'm going to be adding a little Maggi all-purpose season, of course. Can't do without the Maggi all-purpose. I don't know what kind of addiction this. I don't know. It's addictive. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, just a little. Also, I'll be adding a little. Let me see. What's next? What did I add next? I added a little cayenne pepper. Yeah, the cayenne pepper is there. I like my food spicy, guys, so but I have to be also mindful that my daughter is eating it. So you notice I'm adding a little. I'm not adding too much, because although I love my food spicy, she doesn't love her food too spicy, so I have to be mindful of that. Also, I'll be adding a little Maggi chicken season. Yeah, Maggi chicken season, because it's chicken that I'm frying, so why not? It's not a must because I already added the all-purpose, but I have it, so why not use it? And guys, I'm telling you, this is a secret ingredient, the baking powder, guys. This helps to make the chicken so crispy. Do you add fried chicken? Do you add baking powder to your flour mixture when you're frying chicken? If not, you should try it and tell me if you get a different result with the crispiness. Try it and let me know. Now I'm adding my chickens to my bag. I'm gonna add all the chicken because everything can all in this bag. I'm gonna add everything to the bag, and I'm just gonna shake up everything, give it one nice shake, and set it aside while my oil is getting heated. Give it one nice shake. Shake. Yeah, shake it nicely, guys, so that the flour get incorporated on all the chicken. Nothing must leave without being floured. Give it one nice shake. Rub everything together that the flour sticks on to the chicken. The flour is what going to give the chicken that crispy outside. Okay, so to my oil, I'm adding a little. I added garlic to my oil just to flavor the oil a little. You know, we Jamaican, we love everything with flavor. When I like flavorless food. And now that the oil is heated, I'm adding my chickens. I'm adding my chickens to the pot. Guys, you notice and that and some pieces of the chicken you can see a little blood. That's okay. That's quite fine. That is quite fine, guys. That means the chicken is still raw. All you have to do is turn it over and make sure that it fries properly. After the chicken is fried, you should not see any blood. If you still see blood after the chicken is fried, that means the chicken is not cooked through properly. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. Some of these chicken got a little bit too crispy, but that's okay. That's okay. I was cooking and cleaning and doing everything at the same time. As a housewife, not a stay-at-home housewife, a working housewife, when you get your one little Sunday, there is so much to do, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna move on to my rice and peas. Right here I'm washing my peas. I'm giving it a thorough wash, guys, to get rid of all the debris and little thing that unwanted in it. Wash it. I can't say how much time I wash it. There's no specific amount of time for washing something. You wash something until it's clean, guys. So if you wash it 3 times and it still not look clean to you, wash it again. It's not a written law that you should wash your rice or your peas 3 or 4 times. Wash it until it's clean. Okay, guys? Yeah. Guys, to my peas, you notice I added a little salt. I'm gonna add a few grains of pimento seed. I wash them first and then I add them to the water. Also, I'll be adding my oil and my cinnamon leaf, of course. The cinnamon leaf is not a must. If you don't have it, guys, you can leave it out. But the cinnamon leaf adds a lot of flavor to your rice and peas. Try it and come back in the comment section and tell me if it made a difference to your rice. Also, I added garlic. Everybody know that garlic must be in it to help with the softening of the peas and also the flavor. Yeah, so there's my one little cinnamon leaf. I can't do without it. I don't like to do without it. Here in my pot, I added my scallion, my thyme, my hot pepper, my butter, my coconut cream. Yeah, and I'm gonna let that simmer down and add my rice. Guys, I lost so many of this clip today. I am so sorry, guys. Sometimes when you have too much to do, that's what happened, but I'm still gonna share with you what I got. So I'm gonna cover my rice, cover my seasoned peas, and I'm gonna let it simmer, and then I add my rice. Oh, see there? So the Maggi there, I add it in almost everything. Maggi, even though I see this, come over and gonna girl one like a sponge that shape, because when a girl using in everything. Everything me use Maggi in a. Come on, Maggi, do good for your girl. Yeah. So guys, you know the reason why I added this Maggi is because I tasted my pot and it wanted a little bit, you know, it tastes like it wanted a little bit more salt. So instead of adding the salt, I just add a little Maggi, because you know the Maggi bring up the flavor. Guys, I lost the footage of when I washed the rice and put it in. So this is where it lead me to the finished rice. Here I am, I'm taking out all my seasoning from my rice and I'm gonna fluff my rice. Rice is nice. It's cooked properly. Guys, this was not the good rice. This was never the proper rice. This was the original bulk rice. So you know you're not get the 100% shelly cook out of it. Because sometimes when you try to cook these bulk rice too shelly, it end up too dry. It end up not give you a nice eat. So you have to cook it with a little moisture in it so that you can get a nice refined eat out of it. I don't know if you guys notice that when you cook those rice. If you cook them too shelly, come like them and cut your throat. Them just dry and barky. But when you cook them with a little bit of moisture, extra moisture, you're not going to spoil the rice, you know, guys. You just cook it with a little extra moisture. You get a better eat out of it. Well, that's for me, at least. Guys, now I'm sharing out the dinner. The dinner is ready, guys. I lost so many footage. I can't stop saying it. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I lost a lot of footage. Now I'm plating the dinner. I'm plating for myself, my boo, and my daughter. My daughter is a picky eater, so some of the things that we're gonna get, she's not gonna get. She only wants rice and chicken and a little bit of vegetables sometime, because she's not really a vegetable eater either. She's so picky. I don't know. I can't wait for her to get out of this picky era. Guys, pardon me for using my hand. I just washed up all the dishes and I decided that I'm not gonna nasty it back no more unnecessary. My hands are clean. I'm sharing for myself and my family is okay with it. My hands are clean and I did not want to dirty up any more utensils, so I'm using my hand. Pardon me, okay? Pardon me. So look, guys, look at that oxtail, guys. The oxtail nice, you see, guys. It not broke up, you know. The oxtail not mushy and not drop off of the bone, but when you bite into it, it just melts in your mouth, guys. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. It not drop off of the bone, it not mash up and not drop off of the bone. But when you put it in your mouth and take a bite, you don't have to jam down your teeth in it. It just melts in your mouth, guys. Oh my god. Just talking about it, I'm tasting it. I think I'm gonna share myself a next plate. That's why I have a big back. I love food. I'm a foodie. Guys, I lost the footage of the picture, the final picture. I'm so sorry, but guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Latoya K is on YouTube. Love you guys.